Hello physios, get back to my channel SPN. Today we learn on myotomes and dermatomes which are most important. We are already learned in first year and let us learn in third year also. And what does it mean? Myotome. Myotome is a group of muscles which are innervated by the ventral group of single spinal nerve. Actually, what does the myotome testing? Has it is a neurological examination when we suspect any pain. It means radiculopathy. Actually, when we look for a muscle weakness, it indicates any lesion to the spinal cord nerve root, or it might be intervertebral disc herniation. It is a testing of myotomes. And if we go entering into the C1 and C2, it is for cervical flexion. These are some of the myotomes in our body. C3 is your cervical lateral flexion. C4 is your shoulder elevation, that is your shrugging of shoulders. And C5 is your shoulder abduction. C6 is your elbow flexion and also the wrist extension. C7 is your elbow extension and wrist flexion. C8 is your thumb extension. T1 is your finger abduction and adduction. L2 gives your hip flexion. L3 is your knee extension. L4 ankle dorsiflexion. L5 is your great toe extension. S1 your plantar flexion showing the red mark. S2 is your knee flexion. These are some of the myotomes. When we are entering into dermatome, what does dermatome mean? Dermatome is an area of the skin that is mainly supplied by the afferent nerves, which are your sensory nerves coming from the single dorsal root of spinal nerve, as, as it is a part of spinal nerve. There are 8 cervical nerves where C1 has no dermatome and 12 thoracic nerves, 5 lumbar nerves and 5 sacral nerves, which we are going to enter into the dermatome. Let's C1 has no dermatome. Entering into C2, C2 has lower jaw region. Here you can see the first picture, lower jaw, and C2 also has back of head. C3 is your upper neck and also the back of head. C4 has lower neck in here and also the upper shoulders. C5 is your collarbones and also absolutely for your shoulder level. That is your sternum point of view. And C5 is completed and C6 is your shoulder level, lower neck of neck region and also the back of shoulders. It can also be tell as outside of the arm. Here you can see your C6. It is your thumb and C7 is your pointer finger and middle finger. These are your and also the C8. C8 is also the inside of arm. You can see here two fingers, index finger. That is your ring finger and little finger. Next, if we go entering into the thoracic spinal nerves, as we are anterior and posterior region. Here T1 is your upper chest in first picture. T1 is also the upper chest and also the back. You can see here armpit and front of arm. T2, T3 both upper chest and back. T4 is also the upper chest, that is your T4 is mainly mean for your nipple region and also the and back of chest. T5, T6, T7. Note, T5, T6, T7 is your mid chest and back. T8, T9 is your upper abdomen and mid back. T10, T11 is the abdomen, that is your belly button. Remember, T10 is only mainly for the abdomen, the belly button too, and absolutely mid back. T11 is meant for abdomen and mid back. T12 is a lower abdomen and mid back. When entering into the lumbar spinal nerves, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5 at the posterior, it means for your lower back. when it is anterior point of view. L1 it is hips, and L2 L3 has front and thigh region. L4 has thigh region and also the back of calf region. L4 has it enters into the ankle region, and also the here you can see the L5 which enters into the 4 digits, first 4 toes and bottom of foot, that is your L5. And S4 it is your last little toe finger, that is your S1. Those are your sacral. And you can see S2, yeah, S2 is here over the gluteal region, and S3, S4, S5 it is your main coccygeal region, that is the tailbone. These are your certain dermatomes of human body. Next, lumbar spinal nerves and sacral spinal nerves have also been discussed. Thanks for watching SPN.